to make his way in for Finland. Play is going to be halted again, and this does look serious. Well, Christian Erikson in some distress by the look of things.
Well, players knew straight away that was a heavy fall.
Well, you can tell immediately, can't you, from players' body language. And this is a country with a social conscience, and they can see the bigger picture. That is hot off the press.
Very privately, of course, as quickly as possible. That became apparent to us. I think now we have to almost forget completely about football. As I said, just worry about...
Coverage will continue in a moment.